Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore a topic that's crucial for maintenance and operations teams: productivity. We'll look at how the right strategies can help you skyrocket wrench time from the typical 25 to 30% all the way to over 50%. We'll delve into 4 game-changing ways to boost productivity, touching on scheduling, parts availability, remote data access, and predictive maintenance. So, if you're looking to increase efficiency and productivity, stick around. You definitely won't want to miss this. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you know that productivity can make or break your success. And often, poor productivity is the result of subpar planning practices. But don't worry, because by improving your maintenance planning, you can enable your technicians to be more productive. Typically, the range for wrench time is between 25 and 30%. But what if I told you that with the right practices, you could increase it to over 50%? That's right. You could drastically increase productivity. So let's dive into 4 ways you can improve productivity for maintenance teams. Firstly, consider scheduling tasks by proximity. This means assigning tasks based on location. If you can group work order assignments so technicians don't have to travel too far from one job to the next, you'll see an increase in wrench time. To do this, you might need to train your supervisors to keep locations in mind when making work order assignments. But don't worry, maintenance planners can help with this too. By making plans well in advance, you'll be able to make more efficient scheduling decisions based on location and priority. Secondly, arrange for parts to be available when needed. This type of planning allows you to ensure your team gets the tools and parts they need in advance. If your team can get their hands on everything they need before they head out into the field, you'll shave precious minutes, if not hours, off the amount of time it takes to complete each job. The third method is to provide remote access to data. Maintenance teams often spend time looking at schematics and instructions. If those aren't easily accessible from the job site, it can take quite a bit of time. So one way to solve this is to provide them with remote access to that information. Some CMMS solutions allow you to upload schematics, warranty information, and other documents to each asset's profile. With a connected mobile app, your technicians will be able to access that information on site, saving the time it takes to travel to and from your physical records repository. Lastly, consider implementing predictive maintenance. This is a strategy that most people don't consider in terms of wrench time. As you implement predictive maintenance in your maintenance processes, your technicians won't have to spend as much time on diagnostics, giving them more time to put toward completing work orders. Plus, predictive maintenance gives you more advanced warning on potential issues, allowing you plenty of room to schedule everything ahead of time. So there you have it, 4 ways to boost productivity for your maintenance team. By scheduling tasks by proximity, arranging for parts to be available when needed, providing remote access to data, and implementing predictive maintenance, you can increase wrench time and make your team more efficient. Try these methods out and see the difference they can make. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered some key strategies to improve productivity in maintenance teams, including scheduling tasks by proximity, ensuring parts availability, providing remote data access, and implementing predictive maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, a productive team is a successful team.